Here we go. Time for another round in the outdoor kitchen tournament where you, the viewer, decide who advances. Single elimination, 25 outdoor kitchens we're looking at and comparing. Pick which one you like the best. So here we go. Round one, match three. We have two more L-shaped kitchens, very different in style. Kitchen A is a small, intimate one with beautiful stone facade, a wonderful concrete countertop, a really nice grill, fabulous, and a built-in shade structure incorporated into the kitchen. So it creates a wonderful outdoor space. Outdoor kitchen number 2B has this beautiful view, just stunning view right on the edge of a hill with a little retaining wall to make it safe, and next to a putting green. Doesn't have a shade structure, but it has a tremendous view. Same polished concrete countertop, simple stone facade, golf on one hand, view on the other side. So cast your vote in the comment section. Here's A, or vote for B. A or B, just put A or B in the comment section. The winner will advance to face off against some of the more beautiful kitchens in this competition. Thanks so much for voting, and stay tuned to see who's up in the next outdoor kitchen battle.